Hi guys, so today we're going to talk about how the banking sector, the whole financial sector, is very ripe for disruption from the blockchain space. So I'm going to give you two examples. So the first example is the instability of the financial economy. So governments create this financial economy and they create a currency that people believe are stable. But then certain things happen in Turkey, certain things might happen in South Africa or Argentina or Venezuela, around the world, where such big movements happen within the local currency that people fly to things that they see more stable and more usable. So one of the things that people were going to was gold. Problem with gold is you can't really use it. You can't go to a store and say, hey, take my gold and give me some gum. Now you'd say, all right, you can't really do that with Bitcoin either. But the reality is there are a lot more merchants that actually accept Bitcoin than gold. So you can actually use it, and some countries are a lot more friendly. And that is something that we are seeing grow. There's a lot more merchants that are accepting Bitcoin and other currencies, major cryptocurrencies, and we believe that that's going to grow exponentially. The other thing is the time that it takes for certain processes. So I went to a bank, I won't say in which country, don't really want to downplay that, but let's just say to create a bank account, the first thing they did is they closed my cousin's bank account without even informing him. So when he went to the bank to actually have his father transfer money to that bank account, they said you couldn't do it because your bank account was closed. They didn't inform him, they just closed the account. So that was kind of wrongdoing number one. Nobody can really close your wallet. If you have your wallet, as long as you don't lose your keys, you're good, right? So that's one thing compared to. The second thing was the creation of an account took over an hour and a half, and I was sitting there the whole time. It was very stressful. They asked so much information, and it was just overwhelming, the amount of stuff that you had to supply. Now, we understand KYC and AML, and that's fine, but really we think that banks that are supposed to do service to the people are really not, providing any service or creating a good experience. And that is something that I think with the new generations to come, they're going to be less patient and a lot more easy to switch to digital crypto wallets and digital currency because of that. So I think anyone in the banking sector listening needs to make sure that their bank is creating a great experience, because if not, they're going to lose a lot more business to younger generations coming in, and even older generations that are kind of sick of a lot of these things coming up, like fees, all these different transaction fees and little fees coming here and there, deposit or withdrawal fees now. So you really got to think about that as well. And I'm very positive that the whole finance sector will be disrupted. So I think banks need to kind of jump along with the train instead of trying to push it back, because it's already in motion, it's already there. It's like a steam roller coaster, and you can either jump on the train or you're going to get run over. So that's just a little bit of our thoughts, and thanks a lot for watching, guys, and until next time, stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.